Claude Code or Cursor AI? Which one should you actually trust to write code faster and smarter? After testing both, here's what actually matters if you're a real developer. Claude Code is a powerful AI coding assistant inside Anthropic's Claude. You can paste full files, debug logic, and even ask it to write production-ready functions. It handles huge context windows, which means it remembers more of your code than most AI tools. But it's not IDE. It's more like a super advanced chatbot that understands your code structure. Great for help with logic, architecture, and high-level fixes. Cursor AI is a code editor powered by AI built on top of VS Code. You can highlight lines and ask for edits, refactors, or even explanations without switching tabs. It supports real-time autocomplete, multi-file context, and can even debug within your workspace. If you're doing code every day and want speed plus focus, Cursor feels like a true assistant. It's perfect for solo devs who want GPT-level help directly in their editor. Claude Code is great for logic, heavy prompts, and full explanations. Cursor AI wins if you want fast, inline editing in your coding flow. If you need raw reasoning, go Claude. If you want speed in your IDE, go Cursor. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.